Arrive in style with this cheap 2017 Grand Cherokee Overland. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: navigation system, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio memory, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3C nav with 8.4 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual zone AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.